Okay, so this is the same table that is on page 518. So it might be a little confusing to maybe look at, but remember that these scores within the table are the rating of whether or not somebody, it's an evaluation of the date. Okay, so our independent variables we said was looks, so the date was either attractive, average, or unattractive. We also said that we were looking at personality, so the date either had high charisma, some charisma, or was a dullard. And we also used the strategy of hard to get or normal. Okay, so in the above example, when I'm laying that out, I'm saying this person was attractive, had high charisma, and these people were played hard to get. Okay, so we also had attractive, high charisma, and were normal. All right, so this person was average looking, high charisma, hard to get, average, high charisma, normal. Unattractive, high charisma, normal. So you can see how complicated this design gets because I have three independent variables. And so in essence, I'm asking what is the rating of the date if they, based on their looks, based on their charisma, and based on whether they are hard to get. And so what we're going to ultimately do is answer the question of whether or not attractiveness, charisma, and strategy of dating has an influence on whether or not somebody evaluates that date well.